Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you're looking to start a YouTube channel and make money online, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your niche and make money on YouTube. Identify your passion. The first step to making money on YouTube is to find something you're passionate about. It could be a hobby, a skill, or a topic that you're knowledgeable about. Once you find your niche, you can create content that is unique and engaging. Research your competition, look at other channels in your niche and see what they're doing right and wrong. Take note of the types of videos they're making, the tone they're using, and the types of ads they're running. Create valuable content. Once you've identified your niche and done your research, it's time to start creating content. Make sure your videos are high quality and provide value to your audience. This will help you to build a loyal following. Side note, if you would like to get paid to watch YouTube, TikTok, and videos from other social media platforms, click the link in the description below. There are companies willing to pay trend finders. Monetize your channel. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel, including ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Make sure to read YouTube's guidelines for monetization and follow them closely. Promote your channel. Now that your videos are up and running, it's time to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, and engage with your audience. In summary, start your journey to making money on YouTube by finding your niche, creating valuable content, and monetizing your channel. Remember, consistency and promotion are key, and always follow YouTube's guidelines for monetization. Remember, making money on YouTube takes time and effort, but if you're passionate about your niche and create valuable content, you can achieve your financial goals. Please like this video and subscribe for quick daily ideas on how to make content and earn money online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.